Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video, I am introducing different options, different attachments of our bestseller Bulunmaz lathe machine, and I will talk about our side cutting attachment, and I will make a channel cut with that attachment. That's our side cutting attachment, and that attachment comes free of charge when you order one of our Bulunmaz lathe machine. I already introduced you that attachment in another video, how to make side cutting to reduce the size of your ring. If you click the descriptions of this video below, you will find all of these videos detailed. And now I will use the same side cutting attachment to make a channel. All you need to do is to use mostly a flat tool. I put a PCD tool to make a rough cut, and you push forward and back to open your channel. So let's start our machine, and we have to directly push towards the ring. I'm putting some oil just to cut easier. Don't forget to do it. That will be a rough cut because I'm cutting a little bit deep. And here you can see my ring is becoming deeper and deeper. I made the deep cut, so why we use this deep cut? You can put another ring, so you can stretch and make a moving ring, or many other applications to use these channels, as you know. You can also use small tools, let's say 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 2 mm, and you can make different size channels depending on the purpose you wanna use your channel. Let's have a close look and take out our ring. Our channel is pretty deep. I can say that it's 0.806 mm. I use the PCD tool. You don't have to use diamond tools with the channel cutting because the lifetime of your diamond tool will reduce a lot. So you can ask for PCD tools for such rough cuts. Don't forget, the side cutting attachment comes free of charge when you order a Bulunmaz lathe machine. So you can cut side of the rings and reduce the side of your rings, or you can cut top of the rings to make a channel cutting. We also have a round attachment coming together with your Bulunmaz lathe machine. If you wanna watch the videos about the round attachment, just click the descriptions of this video, and I put all the introduction videos of Bulunmaz lathe machine. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel if you enjoy our videos. I hope to see you again, and take care of yourself.